What's up, Cloud Life? It's Overflow Nexus, the channel of faith, gaming, trading, and wealth, giving you the latest and greatest updates on the financial markets. Today, we're going to take a closer look at XRP on the trade setup that we had for the other day on the live stream. If you guys want to learn how to day trade, join the Discord, check out the course. I'll leave the link in the description so you can check it out. People have been making money. You can check out the testimonial section. And it's been helping people tremendously. So I'm honored and thankful that God is using me to bless people financially and make money in this area. So that being said, yeah, check out the Discord. Follow me on Twitch. Follow me on YouTube. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and also the Discord. And you're going to enjoy what you see. Things are only about to get bigger. But as you guys know, this is a God First channel. This is a God Fearing channel. If you guys have not watched the video that I posted earlier, I'm going to leave it in the description. Those that are, having hard times or getting tired, in your tiredness, God is going to come to your rescue. So I'm going to also put that video in the description so you can watch that video. Because I do know that me personally, I was talking about, being transparent with people, what I've been battling and going through. So yeah, check out that video. I hope it helps you out. God is about to start moving heavy in this season. Just keep believing, keep focusing, keep fighting. It is hard, but keep fighting for what God has given you and what God's going to bless you with and give you in your life. That being said, we're going to get into this Ichimoku technical analysis on XRP, give you guys the update on what the trade setup's looking like, and we'll go from there. All right, as you see XRP on the chart, we see that XRP is moving down like we have talked about up here. So if you took that trade from the last, two live streams, you would be in profit on this trade. The market is moving down, as you could tell. We still are expecting the market to move a little bit lower, but I am expecting some battle in this area where this bubble is. There's one thing that's going on here. We see a flat Kijun and a flat Tinkinson, which is a concern. When you see a flat Tinkinson and a Kijun, that means momentum has lost. So what may happen here, we may see price hold right above at what price is this at the 75 to 77 cent level. If we could see a hold here, then we could see the market start to rally back to the upside and see something like this to we'll start heading until $1 if that's the case. But if not, then we will see further movement to the downside towards these levels, which will take us closer to the 68 cent level, which is where my ultimate target is at. If we don't get that, that's fine. We're still in profit. We have a trailing stop loss, so it's all good. But if the market does, manage to push lower, then we will see prices down here and maybe even lower to back to the 56, 55 cent level and so on and so forth. But the reason why we got this was because we had some hidden bearish divergence on the daily time frame. Let me zoom out so you can see this a lot better. And let me put that on auto. As you can see, here was the hidden bearish divergence that I was talking about. I put this trade out on Twitter. If you missed it, that's your fault. I don't care. I gave you heads up. It's your decision to take the trade. I always give out free trades every now and again here or there, but this time, and you see it played out pretty well. If you did take this trade, well done. You are in pretty good profit. So that being said, this is my analysis for XRP. I do believe personally that it will come down lower. We still are overall bearish on the RCI down here, but we will see what the market gives us. And then on the 4-hour, you see that we're starting to be bearish as well. Coming to the 4-hour with Ichimoku, you do see that we're finding resistance at this cloud. So that's why I said right around this area, we should see support actually. We should see some support here, see how the market holds off. If it does not hold well, then we will see a break to the downside. Coming down to the 1-hour time frame, a little messy here. Let me take this off so you guys can see this better. There we go. If you see here, this market is moving in that direction that we anticipated. Not only that, we are making an N wave structure to the downside here, so we will probably reach this bubble and maybe even lower. So we had a Kumo breakout. Cloud is bearish. We have bearish momentum on the 1 hour time frame. So we are starting to see that. If we could hold at this level where we're currently sitting in this bubble here, then the market may have a chance of moving back to the upside and rallying higher. But right now it's not looking like that. All signs are pointing bearish. Seeing bearish signs here, not seeing any divergence that's bullish. It's a very bearish market. Bearish market on RCI. So I'm not really keen on this market being bullish anytime soon until we hold certain levels. So I do think there's still room to move to the downside. I do personally think it will move lower, but who knows? The market does what it wants to do at the end of the day. So this is my bias and this is my analysis with Ichimoku. If you guys are interested in learning how to trade Ichimoku, like I said, I will leave the course in the description so you can check out the course. It has been benefiting a lot of people. Check out the testimonies in the Discord and you will see. That being said, God bless you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.